Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and you are utilizing this time in a meaningful way. In yesterday's video lecture we did that theorem. I will recall the theorem. If opposite sides of chord if one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. Now in today's video lecture we are left with theorem 8.3, theorem 8.4 and theorem 8.3 we did, theorem 8.4 and theorem 8.5. Theorem 8.4 says that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, and theorem 8.5 states that it is a converse, that if in a quadrilateral opposite angles theorem 8.4 states that opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, parallelogram are equal, and theorem 8.5 is the converse of this. If each pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. This theorem, as we did in previously recording the sides of a sides of a quadrilateral, that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, and its converse was that if the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then it is a parallelogram. So this theorem 8.4 and 8.5 I left it as home assignment for you. Please go through this on the similar lines as we did it for the sides. Proof is very similar to that. I hope you can do it of your own. If still among you find any difficulty regarding these theorems, please let me know that I can make the video lecture for the same. Now in today's video lecture we will do theorem 8.6. It is very important theorem. So theorem is the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Theorem 8.6. Theorem 8.6 is the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So let us do this theorem. Let us prove this theorem. We have a parallelogram. Suppose ABCD, and these are the diagonals. I'm sorry, diagonal and diagonal. So we have to prove that it is diagonal is, let us name it O, AC and BD. They bisect each other. Bisect means OA equals OC, OB equals OD. We have to prove this theorem. How can you prove that? Look what concept of congruence again comes into play here. So I already told you the concept of congruence is very important concept. So please practice a lot of questions and see the previous lectures regarding the congruence if you have any difficulty in understanding the concept of congruence. So we will make these two triangles congruent. If we are able to make triangle OAB and OCD congruent, then we are through. Why? Then we can easily say that OA equals we can from here, yes, we can easily conclude that OA is equal to OC, OB equals OD. Why? By CPCD. So our main motive would be that we need to make these two triangles congruent. So we know the rules of congruence. We have read about the rules of congruence. So let us try to make these two triangles congruent. Let's name it here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. So look, AB parallel DC. Is AB parallel DC? Why? AB parallel DC, and we will consider AC as transversal. AB is parallel to DC because ABCD is a parallelogram. It means that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles. AB parallel DC and AC is transversal, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Similarly here, again AB parallel DC, we will consider DB as transversal, then angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now we will write the given. What is given? First of all, given is AC and BD are diagonals of parallelogram ABCD intersecting each other at O. AC and BD are the diagonals of parallelogram intersecting each other at O. To prove, we have to prove that AO equals OC and BO equals OD. Proof. In triangles, we will make these two triangles congruent. In triangles OAB and OCD, OAB and OCD, we will write angle 1 equals angle 2, angle 1 equals angle 2, angle y because alternative interior angles. How they are equal, and alternative interior angles are only equal if we have two parallel lines. Have a look. AB is parallel to DC. I will show it here. AB is parallel to DC, so it can make it, we can, here you can easily understand it. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. If we consider AC as transversal, have a look. AC as transversal. AC, here we name it angle 1, here we name it angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Recall that lecture which we read in lines and angles. These angles are alternative interior angles, and if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then alternative interior angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because AB is parallel to DC, as ABCD is a parallelogram. Alternative interior angles. Angle 3 equals angle 4. Same reason. Alternative interior angles. And what is the third condition? Would be AB equals DC. AB equals DC. Why? Because this is a parallelogram, and we know that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, because ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So we have got the three parameters here. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, AB equals DC. Now triangles are congruent. Definitely, let us see by what criteria we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Have a look. This angle are included, and there is, and between including side and the side AB, it is between angle 1 and angle 3. So two angles and included side, so it is ASA. By ASA triangle OAB is congruent triangle to OCD. By ASA triangle OAB is congruent triangle to OCD. So what happens when two triangles are congruent? We did it frequently, this concept, that whenever triangles are congruent, corresponding parts are equal. Therefore we can write, therefore OA equals OC, OA equals OC. Why? CPCT. OB equals OD, OB equals OD. Reason being CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this was all about theorem 8.6. In tomorrow's video lecture, inshallah, we will prove its converse. Now we are given that we are given any quadrilateral, and its diagonals are bisect each other, and we will be supposed to prove that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. That theorem we will do in the next video lecture, and after that theorem we will do some more theorems. I guess there are some more theorems regarding these. Theorems are very important, and later we will do some textual questions. Hope you will get it. If you have any confusion, doubt regarding this, please let me know that. Thank you, class.